front, there's hand, there's deck. There's the front. There's the back. Ooh. Emma Pardon and Declan Donnelly. Let's unbox it. There you go. It's Warner Brothers as well. Whole thing with film shorts, so I'm gonna sort that out, but that's why they're in parts. So later on I'll make longer videos, I'll go live in the future, but maybe soon, you know, going live and that. Yeah, it's fun. But yeah, anyway, that's all. What? Huh? Alright, Bob. So what is it, Bob? Oh yeah, I forgot, yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for watching all these parts, or if you just watched this one, go down and watch part 2, because that's the main one, that's the unboxing one, the main one. But that's all, thank you very much. I'll see you later. Good night.